Today we are in Sopot. We're going to have a beach day, but we forgot to bring our swimmers. So it's going to be a bit on the warm side. It's 31 degrees, but we're exploring the coastal towns of Poland today. Unshaven, tired, but at least we're not hungover for the first time. So stick with us, Sopot.
They've let the trees grow across the front,
Yeah.
so you can't get a good photo of it.
Yeah, this is the
building.
Krzywy warped building in Sopot. We'll talk about it more. First, we're going to get something to eat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's go. A my tutaj jesteśmy na piwko właśnie.
To zrobię po 3.
No dobrze.
Będzie lepiej, dobra?
Dobrze.
Będzie żurawina?
Tak, żurawina. Nie musi pani
Panie, jak
Jest
ja
tak
robię
gorąco.
ciepłe, ja wiem, no ale to może pan coś zimne po 4. Nie, ciepłe.
Takie podciepłane.
No.
A i co ty robisz? Ty jesteś po pracy dzisiaj.
Tym razem ja ciebie.
Dobrze. So we got some traditional sheep's cheese or scypek. We're going to go and sit down and have some beers before we start lunch. Good to be back in Poland. Chodź na piwo. Trzeba wypić.
What's it called? Oscypek.
Oscypek.
Ost.
No, na zdrowie. Ostatnie last 2 days. Ostatnie 2 dni. Wow.
Proszę, zawsze to z innej perspektywy, z innego profilu, nie?
No.
Będzie co wycinać.
Oh, good. How does Poland taste? Export Christmas.
Pyszna.
I fajne meksykańskie piwo.
Prawdziwe sopockie.
So we are in, as I said, we're in Sopot right now. Sopot used to be the spa and wellness area of Poland back in the day. There's very rich houses here, very rich hotels. Hence why we're here. We are wanting to be very rich. So we came here to try the rich lifestyle. The beer is expensive, the food is expensive. I'm definitely running out of money in my last 2 days. But Sopot is fantastic. It's got the beach around the corner. It's got the longest wooden pier in Europe, which is over 500 meters long. It does take a while to walk it. It is a very beautiful place. It is definitely a must-see when you are in Poland. And it's 31 degrees today, and we didn't bring any swimmers. So we're going to Chałupy, which is a nudist beach. And idziemy na Chałupy?
Nie.
Yeah, we're not going to Chałupy. Mark?
No, I'll be right. I've seen enough nakedity.
I guess we're not going to Chałupy. I wanted to try at the Baltic. We'll put our feet in. We are in a fancy restaurant and we're not even dressed fancy. This is Marcin's fault. Okay, so our last 2 days in Poland, Marcin has taken us to a very fancy restaurant. Very. Where each oyster is about $12 each, flown in from France. They were watching Finding Nemo, the oysters, on the way here. First class tickets. Champagne fed oysters. We're at the White Merlin restaurant in Sopot. And as I said, Sopot is a resort town in Poland, which is very fancy, very nice, very beautiful beaches, very big, delicious beers, and very good friends. Na zdrowie. To the last 2 days in Poland.
To jest humus klasyczny z popcornem, podawany z chlebem i masełkiem z kwasem z czarnego bzu.
Dziękujemy. I co to jest jeszcze raz?
I smacznego. To jest humus klasyczny z
hummus.
popcornem.
Okay, dziękuję.
I just thought, I just thought that might have been the oysters, and you were going there. It's big.
Oh yeah.
Still don't explain
Jak?
popcorn.
No, kanapka.
So they are French.
Yes.
Oui, oui.
Tutaj mamy Gilardu, to będą te większe, tak jak mówiłem, mięsiste. Będą mieli takiego aftertaste orzecha laszkowego. A tutaj mamy te mniejsze Gilardu i one będą dużo słodsze.
So these are like a chestnut flavor? Did you say?
Yeah,
Chestnut?
exactly.
And these are sweeter
More
oysters.
meaty, yeah, exactly.
More meaty. All right. First time.
You haven't had oysters before.
This is Marcin's first. Just like eating snot, you know, in your nose. Just it's the same. Just
Dobra.
10 times as larger.
Ja
The first, check it, pick it up,
Yep.
and put some lemon on it. Okay.
A little bit.
Little bit of lemon.
Don't drown it.
little bit, yes.
Yeah, just enough. Just enough to throw up.
I co? I teraz to mam
And then na zdrowie.
na zdrowie. Marek, na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie. And then you take your little fork,
You make sure
move it
it's
around a little
connected.
bit, make sure it's there, and then off you go.
Oh, wow.
That was good
I got
oyster.
the sweet one.
That was really good.
So-
Jak?
I should have done the same
Specyficzna,
one.
ale smaków pełno. Pełno smaków.
No? Very flavoursome, he said.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay. So I
Bardzo
got, yeah, I got the different
No.
one.
Dobra.
No, następny, next one. This was the sweeter one.
A który był ten mięsisty? Teraz
Na
ten
zdrowie.
mniejszy?
No teraz ten mniejszy, to jest słodszy,
Yeah,
słodszy
ten jest
mówią.
słodszy.
Like a
No.
shot.
No. Ja myślę, że ten większy był lepszy. I think that one is better than the first one.
They're both extremely good.
So, pierwszy raz? First
dobre.
time? Very good?
Bardzo dobre.
Wow.
Czułem kilka smaków. Za innym razem, nie?
Jakie smaki czułeś?
Taki ten, zieleniny jakieś, takie zieleniny, tak? Które, no, kwaskowaty wiadomo od cytryny.
Czyli jest też to, co jest...
Owoców może mniej nawet, nie?
No.
To
How
nie,
are the French oysters, Mark?
The French oysters were good. I now want more, but not at $12 each.
40's what an oyster, but well worth it. I mean, Australian oysters, like New Zealand Bay and not New Zealand Bay, sorry, Tasmania and Coffin Bay and you know South Sydney Rock, South Australia, Queensland oysters, much cheaper, delicious, smaller, but still I think comparable in flavour. But good on you, friends.
Yeah.
You've done well. In Sopot.
Mamy gazpacho. Gazpacho comes for you, sir. A dla pana jest, tak jak wcześniej mówiłem, zupa marsyliańska, zupa rybna z grzonkami, majonezem szafranowym.
Did they forget to do it in the kitchen? They've got to do the rest of it here.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Sąsiedzka ją paparem.
Good soup. Good soup.
Proszę bardzo.
A chleb dostajemy do tego?
Jeżeli panowie sobie życzą, to jak najbardziej mogę podać.
A raw salmon tartar. Thank you, White Marlin. Food was fantastic. Thank you, Marcin.
Nie ma sprawy.
Now we will get some traditional Polish dessert, świderki, and then we go to the beach. Huh?
Traditional dish?
Traditional Polish Italian ice cream
From China.
from China. Świderki time. Obviously, the Baltic is famous for its amber, so you can buy a lot of amber in Sopot. A lot of amber. So we got to try the Baltic. You know, we're here. We might as well walk into the Baltic even if we're not going to go for a swim. The sand is really hot, yeah, but the water will be freezing.
Full Australia sand.
Yeah, oh, it's very hot. But the sand is very fine. Okay, so one thing I didn't mention, and that really stinks here, like it smells like old fish. And yeah, the water is not very welcoming. Not sure if you can see, but it's like black tar. Mark, you try it out.
Yeah.
Oh,
What's in it?
I don't know. Why? Czemu to jest takie? Co tu się stało?
Nie wiem.
It's like a... Whoa, actually want to kind of spew. I actually kind of want to spew.
That smells really bad.
Yeah, it really stinks and people are swimming in it. And
It's just like seaweed or something. Like the water is actually...
is it cold?
Huh?
Is it cold?
No, not that cold. No. Jump in and try it.
Last time we were here, the water was really clean, so I have no idea what that was there in the water. But it wasn't smelling very nice. I requested my ice cream to be the biggest. I don't like his ice cream is bigger than mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna have that.
That's yours.
I couldn't wait, so there's no film of mine.
That looks like your size. No, I'm waiting. No, idzie. O, dziękuję. Now that's a good size świderek. That seems accurate.
Seems like he's overcompensating for something.
Sopot is very famous for its crooked house, but it's covered by these trees, which is really, really annoying.
So we're done with Sopot. We're off to Gdańsk next. And you can get to Gdańsk, which is the next city over, two ways. You can catch a train for a few zloty, or just get an Uber for about 35 zloty for... So if you split it 3-way or 4-way, actually pretty much ends up the same price as the train. So we're going to get an Uber.